Hello, I've made some changes in the program about prime numbers, and you can see these changes. There is a button to make a slide which is named automatically, and a button to generate a number of slides from 3 to 1 million automatically. So if I put the speed at 30, number slide 3, okay, I make this change and starting point 20. I can now make a slide. Before I have to press this to make a photo. Start animation, obviously. I have to make a photo, select, write the name of the photo, and so on. But now, with this method, it is all automatic. And when I click here, the starting number change. So I can make a number of slides of this disposition of prime numbers, and I go to the folder slide in the folder of the program, and I can see all these images, and the images are saved with name, with the number of sides. This is a triangle, the starting number. In this way you can have all the images in order, and you can see the disposition of the prime numbers which change, because here we have a starting number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, etc. There is another button, which is the button for more slides, and if I write here 10, for example, if I press, I start from 20, now it go to starting number 20 to starting number 30, and it is all automatic. We can see okay, and again, okay, I can see the changes in the disposition of starting number. Another things, I put 30, for example, and I want the 4 sides, so the square, spiral square number, prime number, and I clear the canvas. Okay. And it is very interesting because you can see that the disposition change, and this is the image. You have to pay attention to this because when you select the normal photo, the slide and the more slide, you have practically you have a screenshot of the windows. If you put something over the window, it will be written in the image, so you have to be careful. Another thing is that for the moment, if you want to have this system of automatic slide for number of sides 6 or 8, it is not possible, because 6 and 8 need special functions, and so for this you have only to do start animation. But if you try to do the same thing with this button, it is not possible. It is not good, this mirror. But for the other number, for the number 3, 4 and 5, for example, it is good to use also the button for the slide, one slide and more slide. We can do again another experiment. We start from 0, and we have 12 slides. Okay, maximum speed and 25 iterations. So you can see this. This is the okay. Ecco, it is important that this is not over the image of the window. Ok? Ah, ho sbagliato. Ok. Ok. We go to the folder slide, and number of side 4, maximum speed, starting number 0, iteration 25, 12, no, 13 slides. Ok. This is from the starting number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Thank you for watching.